Kevin from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete someone from your friends list on your Nintendo Switch. So if you no longer want to see them when they're online, simply go up to the upper left side of the screen and go to your page. Then select your icon, and then go to your friends list, and then go over the person's name. So let's go to this person right here and select A on it. Then we can see options. Go to options, and then you have the option to remove or block the friend right here. So let's go to remove friend. It says delete this friend. Let's delete it. Now they're going to be removed from my friends list completely. So if I go back now, I will not see them under here anymore. So it's very easy to remove and delete a friend. You can always press Y to update this list too, just to see if there's any other person online. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.